What's the thing I like?
What could that be?
I know exactly what it is.
What?
Guess.
Um,
The one
the
where I play
the
Wolf
Skylanders
Minecraft.
Skylanders Trap.
No, the one that I play. My friend's always going Wolf.
Xbox.
Yes.
Ah.
That was the big one. Oh my goodness. This should have been a better Christmas.
Wow.
No way. I've been so good.
I know you've really been good. Look at all these presents. Must be 20 of them. You can open these. There's the red one you can open. They're not from Santa. They're from Mama and Papa's friend, Mrs. Mahoney, from the Mama's baby shower.
Ooh.
It says Big Brother. So it's because you're a big brother. I don't know what it is.
Okay.
Uh-oh. You can open it?
No, the blue things.
I need scissors. You're doing it, though.
I did it. All I need to do is take this out. The Santa book.
Oh, a Santa book? That's kind of cool. It's about Big Brothers or something?
Yeah.
What's that one?
Okay. The second one. I was so excited.
I don't know. Can you say, give a message to Mama? Can you give a message?
That would be movie presents. But not food like presents. Oh, no. Give me this shoe. It's hard.
Okay, what is scissors?